So what do you call that, right? If the president can stop money from going to places that are off, that Congress has already authorized, that the court has already told him that he has to fund, but he can just not do it, that's called a constitutional crisis. That's a situation where the rule of law has broken down, and now we're at the whims of a warlord, which is what Trump thinks of him. It's just how Trump thinks of himself.
And for people who don't understand, there is an enforcement mechanism in the court, and it's called the Department of Justice.
Yeah, the Department of Justice doesn't really function anymore, right? Because the Department of Justice has been completely captured by the MAGA movement. Pam Bondi is not an independent United States Attorney General. She is a sycophantic United States Attorney General. She just does what Trump tells her to do. And so there's going to be no federal law enforcement forcing Trump to do any of the things that he doesn't want to do. And I keep talking about Trump, but I also want people to understand this isn't just about Trump. This is also about the co-president, Elon Musk, right? Because for all of the court orders that are aimed at restricting or restraining Trump's action, there are also a ton that are aimed at restricting or restraining Elon Musk's actions through Doge, right? But again, who's supposed to enforce that? Who's going to force Elon Musk to follow a court order? Well, that would have to be the executive branch, the President of the United States, the Department of Justice, and the FBI. And all of those organizations are so afraid of Musk that they won't say boo to him.